Good morning, everyone. I am so glad you are here with me today for this Anatomy in Clay professional development. What sets Anatomy in Clay apart is it is a hands-on approach, which is wildly different from rote memorization. A lot of times we would just give our students a chart and say, hey, memorize anterior versus posterior. What could you be doing to make it more three-dimensional, more interactive? Because again, the value of this versus a chart really is quite remarkable. I need to push this down inferiorly to get to that inferior angle of the scapula. And I'm going to find the edge of my scapula. And I'm going to trim that off. One of my absolute personal favorite benefits of the Anatomy in Clay learning system is that it is an instant assessment tool. So right away, you can tell if your students understand that this muscle has to cross over a joint in order for it to make an action. Now, brachialis, its primary job is to flex the elbow. It is amazing when the students move this and manipulate it. It really, truly comes alive.